Welcome back, hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. It's the start of December and this weekend, what are you doing? This weekend we are doing our Christmas decorations. We have started already, but we've realised since we've moved, obviously when you move your space changes, so we actually do have a bit of room for another Christmas tree, and all our decorations which filled our house before seem quite like sparse now, so we thought we would just go out and do a little bit of Christmas decor shopping. We're taking the boys today because it's the weekend, and I thought we could take you along with us because it's always fun to see what's in the shops and I guess to see what other people are doing. I love being nosy and watching what other people get for Christmas. So yeah, come along with us. Our first stop is B&Q to look for a Christmas tree. I really like these little ones in the pots. I think they're really nice and they're only £9. I think that's quite good.
I was going to say like this, but it's a bit...
it's a bit grey. I know I like grey, but that's very grey. So I think we're going to pick one of these ones up from ASDA. They're £30 and they're pop-up trees and they are pre-lit. So that's just going to make it pretty easy, I think. And it looks like it's quite a skinny one. It's 5 foot, so it's not massive, but I think that will work well in that room. Or they have this one, which is 35. So I don't know if that's going to be nicer. 5 foot isn't actually that tall when you think about it. I mean, that's smaller than me, so that's quite a small tree. If you're doing like a really quirky tree this year, ASDA's really good. They've got some cute ornaments, burgers, baby's first Christmas. They've got llamas. They've got Santa on a jet ski boat. That's not a jet ski, you know what I mean. And then yeah, they've got loads of quirky things in here. I do want to get this for Archie's tree. I think I might get him that. They've also got these really lovely angel wings in like a pinky rose gold, white and gold. They've clearly had a lot, but we're a little bit late. So they've been cleared out quite a bit. Would you like these guys on your Christmas tree? They're cute, aren't they?
Yeah. A nutcracker.
Nutcracker, you love nutcrackers, don't you?
Yeah. And there's one at home.
Yeah, we do have a red one, don't we? The silver one's nice. Alright.
Guys, do you know we got them colour lights?
We've got those lights, yeah.
So every one of them, look at them little things. And they're so cool.
So this outing has basically turned into getting stuff for a tree for Archie.
Yeah, and these 2 pencils are mine.
Yeah, it's all yours really, isn't it, in here? And we'll show everyone later, but it looks really cool because what theme is your tree? Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Rainbow, yeah.
Oh, it should have rainbow.
Put it in then.
What?
Oh, you don't want the gold? Yeah, that was my plan, just to have the rainbow. I thought that would be nice. Look, did you see they do unicorns as well? They've got unicorns.
Oh, a Santa.
A Santa, yeah. You want him? Don't want a unicorn. Just popped into MATALAN. They always have really lovely homewares in here. And I was just going to show you guys the wrapping paper that I kept getting asked about on Instagram. But it must be really popular because it's all gone. All sold out. So they had like this really pretty pink gift wrapping range, which they do still have some of. I mean, I'm sure other stores still have it, and I guess they'll get it back in stock, but the wrapping paper set, yeah, seems to have all gone. But that's where it's from anyway, because I had so many questions about it. Or I might have to get one of these as well, because I've had a tape dispenser for years and it's broken, and you really actually miss how easy it is to wrap presents and other things up when you don't have one anymore. So for £2 I'm gonna actually grab that. And these are really nice, sort of natural looking wrap as well, which I love. It's so cute. It just depends what style you want. It's hard for me because with the boys I kind of like to go a little bit more fun and cartoony, but in reality I'm probably more of like the whites and the golds and the like more simple looking design. But I do like myself a little bit of pink bling every now and again as well. Wow, these are toilet seat covers and mats. Novelty toilet seat cover and ped mat set. What's a ped? Oh, it's like that. Ricky, have you seen these?
Yeah.
A couple of years ago, MATALAN did these stockings, so we got one for myself, Ricky and Archie when he was a baby, and then they didn't do them last year on Elliot's first Christmas, so we didn't want to leave him out, so we didn't put them out. But now they've brought out almost identical ones again, but we're going to make sure the boys have got the same. Then Ricky and I are going to have the ones that we previously had, and then I think we're all good for stocking. So I'm really glad they've brought out like very similar ones, so that if you've had more babies since they last had them, you can kind of add to the collection. But I've got some nice stockings in here anyway if you don't want like monogrammed ones. That's a really cute little plate.
Look at that little goodie.
I know, how cute would Pip look in that? It's so tiny and she would actually fit perfectly in that. They've got these really nice monogrammed sacks as well. They're £8 and they're like Hessian and silver. I really like those. This year llamas have just gone crazy. I don't get the connection between Christmas and llamas and Christmas and sloths, but I'm liking it. I really like the champagne gold as well, as opposed to the like real in-your-face gold. They're £20.
When it's day, it'll stand up.
The last place of the day to have a look is one of my favourites. We're in TKMAXX, so there's their Christmas stuff. I'm going to have a little browse to see what they've got. This isn't a very big one. I think tomorrow we're going to go to HOMESENSE, which obviously we've taken you guys to before, which is massive. But I thought it would be worth having a little look anyway. These are actually so cute for tiny little like real trees that you have in the pots and stuff. So I might get those because I never see baubles that small ever. And these are really lovely as well. They say wish, joy, happy and peace. They have the beautiful silver Christmas trees. I've actually wanted these for a couple of years now, so I think I might get the larger one and the smaller one. Hi guys, so it's the next day now. Same jumper, different day. We're going out to buy more Christmas decorations. We wanted to split it into two because otherwise it would have just been too much for the boys. And Archie's at school now. Elliot's gonna probably have a nap, hopefully, whilst we're going around. And we just have 2 more shops to go in to have a look for some stuff to finish off the house and get all our decorations for Christmas. And I think these are going to be my 2 favourite shops. We're going to HOMESENSE and we're going to the Range. So definitely like the biggest and hopefully the best. So we should get some nice stuff there. So again, I'll take you along with me and you can see what both stores have for Christmas. First stop is HOMESENSE and I see Christmas! They've gone really Christmassy. They've got all of that there. And then they've got like rows and rows of Christmas stuff over here. Let's go and have a look. Oh wow, look at the ornaments they've got. They're so pretty. Oh, the sun's really washing everything out. They're massive.
Santa's on the moped.
Santa's on a moped, yeah, or a scooter. £800. That's a really lovely wreath. That's so pretty. Wow. Might have to get that. Is that fake? Because that's really cool. Let's have. Oh wow, that's really good because that's completely fake, but it looks real. They've got some really nice little mini Christmas trees. We did buy some yesterday that were real, but I just think having fake ones would be better because you'd never know, and then you can use them every single year. That one's so nice. We just have so many unusual things in here. We've got some more Christmas trees. I got some in TKMAXX yesterday, but this one's really nice. £9.99. That's amazing. I probably should say as well, I'm working with HOMESENSE this month on an Instagram post, so not on this video, but they have given me, very kindly given me a voucher to come and choose some stuff to make the Instagram post. So that's what I'm going to spend part of the money on today, and then obviously anything else I get will just get with my own money, but I thought I should probably let you guys know that. This rainbow garland with the unicorns are so cute. And cactus ones. I've got loads of lovely tableware. Obviously all Christmassy themed if you wanted to go all out for Christmas. And more wreaths in boxes. And then down here they've got a whole row of Christmas cushions and Christmas throws. Christmas tea towels and Christmas baking stuff. Down here they have so many gift wrap options, all the wrapping papers, boxes and gift bags, sacks. So nice. I really love their wrapping paper, it's just that bit more sort of luxe and special. And I usually do sort of a white and natural theme. So these are very nice, but I don't know what to go for this year. I really love things like this as well. For the boys, they're so lovely. But then, and then I go for the sort of white and gold. $12.99 for 8 crackers. They'd be lovely if you had lots of family around and you had a kids table. They'd be perfect. I've just seen the coolest present for Elliot, and even though he's right here, he doesn't understand. It's a best in show playset with all little wooden docks and the ramps and everything. Don't you think that's so cute? See, I love looking at the toys in here because you find things that you may not have necessarily thought of. Right, I got really crowded in HOMESENSE in the end and I couldn't even push my trolley, let alone film. So I decided to come up there, but I've got some really nice things which I'm going to show you. And now we're going to go in the range because the range is like ultimate Christmas. If you have one near you, then you'll probably know every year they just go full out. They have literally a whole floor for Christmas in the Lakeside one. So we're going to go and have a little look now. How cute is this? It's a little candle snuffer. A little reindeer one. I've never seen one before, like in the range, or you just don't really ever see them, and I've always wanted to get one, so I think I might pick that up. That's really cute. We've got some really pretty little copper tea light holders. The range have so much stuff. I've actually filled up the trolley and I completely forgot that I was filming. I got so sort of mesmerised by it all, and it's so busy and it's a bit like embarrassing to film when there's this many people. So I'm gonna just like show you what they have without talking too much, I think, because the amount of people that think I'm so weird right now is unreal. They've got elves behaving badly things, which is really cute. I think we've got a couple of bits like this last year from the pound shop, but they have little dressing gowns this year and warning elves about. The sleigh is really cute. Oh, the elves are going crazy. It's alright. One of the best things is the elf swing. We got that last year. Oh my goodness, I've got baby elf table. I don't know if the baby elves are in there, but that was really cute if they are. They're the baby elves. Okay, I don't know whether to take it that far or not. Should our elf have a baby? Will that be a bit confusing for a 4 and a 1-year-old? Probably. Look, they've even got little jokes. Fried egg bug with bug. Oh, super vomit. Okay, little dropped ice cream. Actually, that would be so good this year because Archie, doesn't have a gate on his door anymore now he's older. This would be good. A Snoop alarm, motion activated, for if he goes and tries to find his presents and tie it, but that would probably just make him do it more. This is a very festive aisle, all the greens and reds, which we don't really go for, which is a shame because, you know, I guess that's what Christmas is all about, but it's turned into a little bit more of like a glamorous thing these days, hasn't it? But just gotta go for what you like, I suppose. These are some of my favourite ones. They're all glass and just so pretty. Like that one is probably one of their most expensive ones at £2.49, and then a lot of the others are £1 something, which really isn't that bad, but when you buy loads, obviously it does add up quite quickly. They're really nice. The packs are pretty good value actually. I think I might get this pack. I didn't see this before. And then of course they've got like every single Christmas light you could ever want in your life. These would look so pretty outside. I'm not sure if they're even... Yeah, I think they are. Oh, they just go over the branches on top of a tree. That would be so pretty. That would look really nice. Kind of wish we'd waited and got our second tree from in here because this one's actually really nice. It's a 7-foot one, but it's £80. But it looks nice. They've got loads of real ones as well. They're really lovely. That would look nice by our front door because they're little. They've got tree skirts. We have like wicker tree skirts, but these are a really good option as well for $14.99. I think the boys are pretty much done. They're bored of me. I got some stuff for the house. Finally found some curtains, which I'll show you guys, and then loads of decorations, which I'll show you guys as well. But I think we're done for today. Right, so I'm back in the car. I really hope you enjoyed coming Christmas decoration shopping with me. It did get a little bit hectic today because there were so many people doing the same thing. Of course, it's the start of December, they're going to be. But yeah, it got a bit hectic to film. People were looking at me very strangely. But
the range was ridiculous.
The range was so busy. But anyway, I'm just going to put all of what we did today and yesterday together in just a little come shopping with me video, which I really hope you guys enjoy. And then because this video would end up being so long otherwise, I'm going to do a Christmas decoration haul and then also a little Christmas house tour. I think that will work. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. Let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and if you're excited to see more Christmassy content, and subscribe if you haven't already because that will all be coming up very soon. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.